see by the title, this will be a review on Sensational's lace wig unit. Her name is Dashley. I have this in the MP Gold. This is another unit that I've also had in my cart and I just haven't purchased it. It's just been sitting in there. I also was inspired by Trendy K. She did do a review on this unit. I think she did it in this exact same color, but she did kind of say like the unit was a little like tangly, so that kind of is what had kept me from getting it. But feeling it right now, it feels actually okay. Like, you know, I'm not getting any like tangling on this wig so far, but again, I did just kind of wash the unit, let it air dry, and you know, it's sort of new. I do love the way they structured this wig, you guys. This wig is very pretty. I do like how they put the colors together. I think this is like a very, very pretty color, especially for my skin tone. It looks so good. As far as the way the wig fits, it does fit very, very well. I did adjust the straps, however, for the way I wanted it to. If you're a big head girl, smaller head girl, it doesn't matter. This wig will definitely fit you. As far as the lace, as you guys can see, the parting goes back pretty far. It does have like a natural parting space, so that's what I also like about it. And all you need to do is basically put your foundation on it just to blend everything. I decided to wear a nude stocking cap, and the nude stocking cap, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you choose to wear a nude stocking cap, you're gonna have to blend this really good, because I looked in the mirror just to see how it looks. Because some of these lace units, the way they make the lace, it kind of looks weird with the new stocking cap unless you blend it very well. So this is one of those wigs. So just make sure you blend it real good with your powder or your foundation if you do decide to wear a new wig cap. As far as shedding, I'm not getting any shedding on this wig either. I'm definitely just putting my hands through it just to get a quick feel on it, and I'm not getting any shedding, so that's good as well. As far as baby hairs, yes, the hair comes with baby hairs. You're gonna get baby hairs all through the front of the wig, so if you want to decide to go ahead and do your baby hairs, you could definitely do that. This hair is definitely giving me a yucky texture feel, most definitely. I love yucky textures. I just feel like, again, it's a little more natural, just the way it looks. I do actually like the waves in this wig too. I actually feel like this is perfect. Like, it's all the same length and the waves go all through. So I definitely I don't have anything bad to say about this wig, y'all. Like, this wig is perfect. Like, look at these colors, look at these waves. I feel like they did their thing on this wig. Come through, Sensational. Y'all been doing y'all thing, okay? I did purchase this wig off Amazon.com for $25.83. Do I feel like it's worth it? Most definitely. It's worth every penny. I'm actually gonna be getting another unit just in a different color, so I want to let you guys know what colors they all have. This is the stock card here. So basically all the colors they have is the Money Piece Blonde, they have Money Piece Gold, and then they have the Money Piece Hazel, and then they have Burgundy, T1B Jade, a copper color, mustard color, rose gold color, and then a lavender color. So there's plenty of colors that you can choose from if this is just not one of the colors that you want to choose from. So yes, they have plenty of options. This wig is also going to be bulky when you get it, so make sure that you have a hot comb or you have some type of curling iron, because baby, this wig is bulky. This is definitely one of those get up and go wigs as well. All you need to do is lay down your baby hairs, go ahead and bump this mug down with your flat iron or your hot comb, and you're good to go. And this is also definitely a good wig for fall too. Definitely fall. Winter too, because it's like a longer unit, but definitely good for fall. I feel like this wig can definitely last you a long time. All you need to do is not sleep in it. Like, people ask me all the time, like, how long do you have these units? What do you do? Ladies, I just do not sleep in my units. Like, I mean, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like sometimes I'll slip up and sleep in the wig, but it's not like something that I'm doing all the time, because it happens. Like, sometimes I could be tired or, you know, doing something, so you know, sometimes I may sleep in the wig, but it's not something that I'm doing all the time. So make sure, if you do make that mistake of sleeping in a wig, make sure you go ahead and go to that sink and wash your unit. I'm actually gonna have in the description box below, I did decide to use a new conditioner for synthetic units. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and get it so that you guys can see, and then I'll have it in the description box below, because I actually think this conditioner is way better than the one I was using. So this is the conditioner that I do use. So I see other YouTubers use it when they review their synthetic units, and I'm like, okay, let me try it. The first time I tried it, I don't think I liked it. I don't know if I got the shampoo instead of the conditioner, but I went back and got it again. I'm like, let me just use this again, because sometimes it could be a mistake. So I decided to get the Mane Intel Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. Basically it is for dry and damaged hair, it says, but I do think it works good with synthetic units. It works really, really good. So this is how the bottle looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the description box below, so you guys can definitely use this on your units. I'm telling you, this is so good on synthetic hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this unit. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update on new and upcoming videos. Like this video, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.